Did you know that it is believed that this herb was one of the reasons Alexander the Great didn't conquer India? Moringa is often called the tree of life or miracle tree due to its impressive nutritional profile. It is worth mentioning that gram for gram, dried moringa leaves contain 15 times more potassium than a banana, about 10 times more vitamin A than a carrot, 9 times more protein than yogurt, 17 times more calcium than milk, and 25 times more iron than spinach. Watch the video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting facts about moringa and herbal teas.